What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to fix Windows 11 taskbar not showing. As you can see on my screen currently, we're not seeing the taskbar, and one of the reasons might be a setting. So if you take your mouse and hover over it, you might see your taskbar pop up. Now in order to fix this, you can tap on your keyboard, Windows and the I key, and then it's going to take you to your settings. Then go ahead and click on personalization and scroll down to where you have taskbar, click on taskbar, and scroll down to where you have taskbar behaviors. Now your taskbar may be hiding because we have the settings ticked, automatically hide taskbar. You can click on it to stop it from hiding automatically. If this doesn't solve the problem, or if you already have this unticked and you're not seeing your taskbar, you can try the second step. The second step is to tap on your Windows button and search for Task Manager. And when you search for Task Manager, you're going to have this come up. Then go ahead to your Windows Explorer, click on it, and then click on Restart Task. When you click on this, it will restart your Windows Explorer and potentially restart your taskbar. When that's done, your taskbar should be back up and clearly visible at the bottom. Now, if this doesn't work, the last option is to restart your PC. Now, in order to restart your PC using the keyboard shortcut, you could use Control, Alt, and Delete. Now, I'm not doing that right now because this will make my screen blank and you won't be seeing what we're doing. So go ahead and tap on Control, Alt, Delete, and the black screen will pop up where you have the option at the bottom right corner to click on your power options, and then you can click on Restart. Alternatively, you can simply press on the power button on your PC in order to shut it down and restart it once again. So this is how to fix your Windows 11 taskbar not showing.